Hello, third, fourth, and fifth grade. So, today I wanted to talk about making healthy choices, making healthy goals. As you all have seen, our teachers on our bulletin board by the office making their healthy goals. I want to talk to you today about a couple different things. The first thing we're going to talk about is hygiene. Hygiene is very important. Hygiene is the having the ability to keep yourself clean, and we're going to first watch a video about that. And then we are going to do something kind of fun, I think. We're going to talk about McDonald's. And I know that makes you all very happy when I even say the word McDonald's, because what kid does not like McDonald's? So, the first thing I want to do with that activity is see how many calories you all are supposed to have a day. So, the normal adult is supposed to have 2,000 calories a day. So, kids are supposed to have a little less than that. And it really depends too, like how active you are. If you're very active, you might be able to have a little bit more calorie consumption. But if you're not very active or you're just marginally active, like moderately, then you probably need to stick with what our government website says. So this is our government, the U.S. Department of Agriculture. Okay, so this is real numbers. Okay, I just didn't Google it and come up with it. This is what our government suggests. Okay, so let's scroll down here. So as you can see, 2 to 3, 1,000 calories, 4 to 8, 1,200, and then here 1,400. And again, these are different because it's a different plan compared on how active you are. So if you're a little bit more active, 4 to 8, you would probably have 14. And if you're not, you would have 1,200 calories. So down here, 9 to 13, 1,400 calories. Okay. And then if you're a little bit more active, 9 to 13, 1,600 calories. So that is what our government suggests. Okay, so now I want to go and I want to put in our favorite meals at McDonald's and see exactly how many calories that we are having in one meal. Okay, so I'm going to do my son's favorite meal. He's 16, so he gets a little bit more calories than you all. But let's do it. All right, so he gets a crispy chicken sandwich. All right. And then he gets, let's see, he gets a 6-piece nugget. Push that in. Maybe we can change it. Oh, here we go. He gets a 6-piece chicken nugget. And then he gets a fry, and let's make that a medium. And then let's see, he gets a sweet pea. You can find it, or a Dr. Pepper. He likes both of those. Oh, there we go. He gets a large because they're just $1, but he drinks all of it. All right, so that's what he gets. If he's really hungry, he might get 2 chicken sandwiches. So let's go back to the top and see how many calories that is. All right, so this is 1,130 calories. All right, if he only gets 2,000 calories a day, then he doesn't have much left for breakfast and lunch. If this is a dinner, then his breakfast and lunch is not that much. He doesn't get that much more. Okay. Look at the carbohydrates. Carbohydrates turn into sugar in your body. It does have a lot of protein, which is good. Our bodies need protein. Look at the fat, guys. 51 grams of fat. And another thing that was really, really scary to me is the sodium. Sodium is salt, and salt is only good in moderation. All right. So let's do another one because I think this is kind of fun. Let's do my favorite meal, and I'm going to be embarrassed, but that's okay. I want to show you all. So let's see if I can start over. Maybe I can take these things off. All right, here we go. Delete. Okay. Delete. Delete. And delete. All right. So now let's go to I like the quarter pounder deluxe without tomato, but that's all right. Tomatoes don't have very many calories, so we'll just put it in there. All right. And let's go get a French fry. And let's make that a medium. And I always get a large Diet Coke. And I'm going to add it even though Diet doesn't have any calories because I want to show you other things about the Diet Coke that aren't very good for you. And I do get it a large. All right. So let's go up to the top. All right. So this meal is 950 calories. That's not right, is it? Let's see. Did I get everything? Oh, because my Diet Coke don't have any calories in it. So 950 calories. So Miss Sublett tries to keep her calorie intake under 2,000. So if this is what I have for lunch, let's say, for my dinner and my breakfast, I get almost nothing else to eat. And that's not good because food is food. It fills you up and then you need to eat again, no matter how many calories it is, right? So look at the fat. The fat comes from the cheese on the burger, the meat, and then the bun. Carbohydrates, a lot, which, like I said, turns into sugar in your body. And then protein, 35. So let's look at the sodium. 1,400 milligrams of sodium. Do you know what sodium does to your body? It makes your body hold water. And the more water that we hold, I know that doesn't sound like a bad thing, but water under your skin is bad for you. It makes you retain water, okay? And it kind of makes you look bigger, maybe makes your belly kind of poof out. It does have some fiber, which fiber is good, okay? So let's go now and try to make a healthy meal at McDonald's. Well, first of all, let's look at our soda here. Soda, this is why. So Diet Coke has sodium in it. It has no calories and no sugar, but there is aspartame in diet drinks. So you think that you're drinking something healthy because it's diet, but aspartame, it tricks your brain. It kind of tells your brain, okay, I'm getting sugar. You like sugar. You're welcome, brain. I'm giving you sugar. But then your brain realizes, oh, this isn't real sugar. This is fake sugar. And then you start craving real sugar more. So is diet better for you? I mean, because it really makes you crave more sugar. And it makes you eat more sugar. I drink Diet Coke. It's not good for me. I know. I've been drinking it since I was little, so I actually like the taste better. But water is better for you. And I think a pop every now and then is okay as long as you balance it out with water. All right, let's try to make a healthy meal now. Let's see. Delete that out. And you all can do this yourself. If you want to write down up here the McDonald's, it's if you go to McDonalds.com and click and search nutrition calculator, you could put your favorite meal in and see how healthy or unhealthy it is for you. It's pretty fun. All right, so now let's go and make a healthy meal, or try to. All right, so let's do a kid's meal if we can. So a kid's meal would be, since you all are big kids, you probably don't eat kids meals anymore. The fifth graders might not. But let's do chicken nugget. And we'll do 6 since you all are bigger kids. My little boy still eats just 4, but I'm sure he'll be moving up soon. And we'll do let's do a small fry and apples. And we'll do, what kind of drink do we want here? Yeah, let's do milk. All right, let's see. Okay, so this is better. This is a better lunch or dinner, okay? So we've got 585 calories, 27 grams of fat, lower carbohydrates, and 25 grams of protein, which is not much less than what I had in mine. I had 35, I think. This is 25, and it's a lot less food, so it's still just as good for you. Sodium here is a lot less, almost 1,000 milligrams less sodium. Dietary fiber, you still have some fiber. Probably comes in your apples. So let's go over our food that we got. We got milk, apples, a small fry, and a 6-piece chicken nugget, and it's a lot better for you. I mean, that still leaves you about 1,000 calories for the day. So that's really good. So you can split that up into 300 for breakfast and then the rest for dinner. So basically what I'm just saying, guys, is that we need to eat in moderation at McDonald's, especially because their food has a lot more fat in it, a lot more carbs, a lot more fillers, a lot more fat. So when we eat there, we need to try to make healthy choices. Because if you just get an adult meal there, it's almost your whole allotment of calories for the day. So when we go there, we just need to make healthy choices, okay? Throw in some apples. That's all right. Apples are good. And just get smaller portions and you will do just fine, okay? And not just at McDonald's, but every day, everywhere, you need to try to make a healthy choice. Even at lunch here at school, I noticed that a lot of you all throw away your fruit and your vegetables. You've got to try them, okay? They're very good for your body, and they give you the fuel that you need to be successful and be at school ready to learn, okay? Thank you all for watching my video. And I'm going to tell you right now, I am going to try to make healthier choices when I go to McDonald's too, because after seeing firsthand how many calories my meal has, I probably need to cut my sandwich in half. I think that's what I'm going to try to do. You all have a good day. Bye-bye.